We are a family of 4 that lives full-time out of our Sprinter van. Come along for a quick little van tour. The little guy was actually asleep when we started filming, so we kind of just had to tidy and work around him. But let's get into it. First up is our kitchen area. We have a deep butler sink and a tap that swivels so we can use it to rinse off after a surf. We have a full shower too with hot running water, which is so handy with a toddler, and Aura's bed fits in here too. And now, maybe my favourite part of the whole van is my pull-out pantry. I'm a foodie, can you tell? We've got heaps of storage in these drawers and these over here too. This big drawer serves as one part of our wardrobe, and it also can convert into a big L couch, so we can totally transform our seating area. And at this point, the little guy woke up and we had a quick little snuggle break. We also have this pull-out table, and Reef wanted to show you his toy drawer that's right underneath. You'll see that our hot water system lives under here, as does our towels, and this is how we join everything together to make a little bed for the little guy. We went for an induction cooktop in here. We have this big fridge and little freezer space too. Our overhead cabinets are home to our toiletries and also some more of our wardrobe. We put in some little curtains across the back. This is our garage, and that's a wrap. Thank you for coming along, guys.